Hello everyone, and welcome to this complete walkthrough of the Payroll module. In this video, we will guide you through the entire payroll process, from preparing employee information to processing payroll, generating summaries, and finalizing the payroll. Let's begin with the required setup before creating a payroll. Step 1. Complete employee payroll. Set up before processing payroll. Ensure that all employee information required for payroll has been completed. Open the employee profile and verify the following sections: contact details, HR details, payroll details, bank details, salary details. These details are essential for accurate payroll processing. Step 2. Configure employee compensation. Configure the employee's compensation details. Create or edit a compensation record and fill in the required fields. Compensation type. Select the appropriate compensation type. Effective. From date. Specify when the compensation becomes effective. Effective. To date. Enter the end date, if applicable. Payroll source. This is one of the most important settings. Choose the payroll source carefully, as payroll data will be generated based on the selected source. The available options include timesheets, clock-in/clock-out records, and rota management. Payroll frequency. Select the payroll frequency, such as monthly, weekly, or fortnightly. Save the compensation record once all information has been entered. Step 3. Approve timesheets or clock-in/out records. Before payroll can be processed, all attendance records for the selected payroll period must be approved. If the payroll source is timesheets, approve all submitted timesheets. If the payroll source is clock-in and clock-out, approve all attendance records for the payroll period. Only approved records will be considered during payroll calculations. Step 4. Add financial year and create a payroll schedule. Before creating a payroll schedule, ensure that the required financial year has been configured. Open Settings and navigate to Financial Year. If the financial year for the payroll period does not already exist, create a new financial year by entering the required dates and saving the record. Once the financial year has been configured, proceed to the payroll schedule. Click Add Payroll Schedule and select the required run frequency. Available options include monthly, weekly, and fortnightly. Select the financial year, then select the start date and end date for the payroll period. Click Create. The system will then create a payroll schedule for the selected period. Step 5. Create a payroll next. Create the actual payroll. Click Add Payroll and select the payroll schedule that was created in the previous step. Confirm the payroll period by selecting the appropriate start date and end date. The payroll record is now ready for processing. Step 6. Process the payroll. Click on the Process button of the record. The system displays all employees included in this payroll period. If any employee has missing or unapproved timesheets or clock-in/clock-out records, validation messages will appear. Resolve these issues before continuing. Once all required information is complete, click Generate Workdays. The system prepares the employee's work records for payroll calculation. Step 7. Review Workdays. The Workdays page displays all approved working records included in the payroll. Only approved timesheets or approved clock-in and clock-out records are shown here. Carefully review the data. If everything looks correct, click Generate Summary Data. The system now calculates payroll based on the approved work records and employee compensation settings. Step 8. Review Pay Submission. The Pay Submission page displays the payroll summary for each employee. Based on the employee's compensation settings, the system automatically calculates the payroll amount, standard pay, and overtime pay. Review these values before finalizing the payroll. Complete the following information: bank payment date. Select the date on which employees will receive their salary. Bank transfer amount. Verify the total amount that will be transferred during this payroll cycle. Payment process. Turn this option to True to confirm payroll processing. After verifying all payroll information, click Payroll Complete. This finalizes the payroll period. Once completed, the payroll becomes read-only, preventing further changes and generating the necessary payroll records. Step 9. Export payroll data. To download payroll information, click Export to CSV. The system generates a CSV file containing payroll details for all employees included in the selected payroll. This helps in payroll auditing and record keeping. Store the exported file securely, as it contains sensitive employee payroll information. Step 10. Upload payslips. After generating employee payslips, navigate to the Upload Payslip section. Upload the finalized payslip document. These payslips will be securely attached to the completed payroll and made available to employees where applicable. Note: if the payroll source is set to clock in and clock out, wait until the nightly job updates the attendance data required for accurate payroll calculations. This completes the payroll process. In this video, we covered preparing employee payroll information, configuring employee compensation, approving attendance records, creating and processing a payroll, exporting payroll data, and uploading payslips. Following these steps ensures an accurate and efficient payroll process from start to finish. Thank you for watching.